So some of these have been out in the elements, so it can be a little difficult to get the key inside of this rusted keyhole. But you know, you just gotta try your best, and there you go. YouTube, it's GigStacker. Today I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to use the Genie Lift. Sometimes you get on a job site and the ceiling is above 12 feet. What are you going to do in that situation? You got to use a lift. Alright, so I'm going to give you a quick tutorial, a quick rundown on exactly how to use this. Alright, so here we have the lift. This is the 19-footer like I was saying. And pretty much what we're going to do here is we're going to take this key. I'm sure you guys can see that. We're going to take this key. The key goes down here. So some of these have been out in the elements, so it can be a little difficult to get the key inside of this rusted keyhole. But you know, you just gotta try your best, and there you go, you got it. So from here, we're gonna turn this to the left, and we're gonna pull this out. You also want to do a quick inspection to make sure that this lift is safe to ride on. All right, and from here, assuming that we've already done our inspection, we're just going to go ahead and open up the back of this bad boy. We'll get on up. All right. Okay. Big red button. We're going to pull this up. We're going to see these three red lines show up here. And then in order to go forward or backwards or turn the wheels, you're going to click this the button on the right. And then these triggers here, left and right triggers, control the direction that the wheels go in. And then there's a trigger on the front that actually tells it to go, right? Go ahead and press this button here, and then we're going to hold the main trigger and the trigger on the right, and that will turn the wheels, okay? Now if we hold the main trigger and forward, now we're going to actually go in that direction, and then I can change the trigger to go left, right, back, forward, as we can see here. Then we can also switch to up and down instead of ground driving mode. And we're just going to click the button on the left here for that. When you're holding the front trigger and pushing forward, that's going to be taking you up. As you can see, we're going up now. And if you hold the front trigger and pull backwards, that's going to bring you down. All right? And that is pretty much how this bad boy works. And when you're done using it, you want to make sure that you press down the button. That's going to turn it off from being able to be moved. And then we're also going to press this button here. That turns it off there. And then you want to remove the key, put the key back to wherever you got it, or give it back to the management, or you know, whatever they ask you to do. Alrighty, and that there is how you use the Genie Lift. You ever get a job requiring a lift, now you know how to use it. Alright, thank you guys for checking us out. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit that like button. If you really like it, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. GigStacker signing out.
Please like and subscribe. And if you'd like to see more videos, you can check them out right here.